Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the error AssistiveTouch is off when installing apps on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, go to the physical and motor section and then click on touch. Now here click on AssistiveTouch and then scroll down to the end, and here you will see a confirm with AssistiveTouch button. Turn off this button to solve the problem. So now go to App Store, and now it will not show the AssistiveTouch is off option. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.